Hi, Lucius. Hi, Lucius. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hello? How about a sit? Oh, that's a good boy. How about a paw? Yeah, that's right. And a little bit of drool. I do have a treat in my hand, it's true. How about a down? Good boy. And how about an up? Back to a sit. That's excellent. That's a good boy. Leave it. Good boy. And free. Did you get them all, Lush? Oh, here's one more. That's my good boy. Say hi to everybody, huh? That's Lucius.